telling you right now, this car is really pissing me off. That amazing sunset. Check that out. Oh man, this is dope. I would take this over 30-degree rain any day of the week. Okay, so I'm gonna keep this video raw, straight to the point, no fancy edits in this video. I'm not gonna tell you guys anything that you don't already know, but I will say if I were to do this all over again, I would have skipped the whole FP Black setup and just went with a full rotated setup and just skip all the headaches that this 84mm inlet is causing. So I don't know if you guys saw, I don't know if I filmed this part of the video when we were doing the install, but we were having a hell of a time trying to fit this intake manifold over this 84mm inlet. So at its narrow point, it's about 2.5 or less than 2.5 inches, reducing the efficiency of that big turbo. So I think if I go with a hard pipe, I might gain a little bit of power. I think that's what Josh was saying. Also, that bypass valve is severely kinked by the throttle body drive-by wire unit. So at its narrowest point, it's about, you know, 1/2 inch in total. So it's really reducing the efficiency of the Cobb LF bypass valve. I'm afraid in the future it might cause compressor surge, which is really damaging to the turbo. So I'm gonna go to Lowe's, try to find a solution for the bypass valve hose, and maybe even break out the GoPro and show you, so I can get in there because the camera's too big, it's not gonna fit in there, show you exactly what is going on and the solution I have to fix it. All right, I'm gonna try to give you guys a view of exactly what's going on. Nope, that's gonna be way too dark. Let me get a light. Got my fancy cheap Harbor Freight light. I really want that Milwaukee underhood light. Man, that would be so cool to have. So let's see here. I can't see nothing on the GoPro screen. Okay, so just put this here and turn this down. So it's really hard to see, but that is the bypass valve hose and it's really pinched. So let's see if I can get you guys a closer look. Yeah, you guys can't see nothing. I'm gonna have to take that out. Hopefully I don't have to take out the throttle body, but that's okay. It's only 4 10mm bolts. So if I do, I gotta find out the torque spec on that. It's probably only like 10 foot-pounds, maybe 5. Days are starting to get cooler now. Fall's gonna be here anytime. Actually, probably in a couple months or so, or not a couple months, but a few weeks now. Just I'm beginning to the end of summer, which I really enjoy the summer here in the Pacific Northwest. It's just, I don't know, I'm not really much of a winter fan. You know, maybe one day in the future, you know, I don't mind the winter. I just don't want to live, you know, in winter. You know, I want to be able to come and go to winter as I please. I just don't want to have to be stuck in it for months at a time. And this hose clamp is not coming out for some reason. It's being a pain. But so far, I am really enjoying the car. I mean, it's not that much powerful than the last setup. I mean, maybe a little bit more, but you know, of course, with a bigger turbo, it is expected that, you know, the response down low is going to be, oh, I cracked the thing. You know, the threshold is going to be a little bit higher than the stock turbo. But, you know, so far the power up top seems pretty good. I really like the responsiveness of the stock turbo, but it does have its limitations. But there is a lot of potential in the setup. I just gotta get the fuel system to power it. And before I crack that thing, let me unplug this little harness right here. There we go. Like I said, no real fancy edits in this video, just me, just raw talk in the garage, trying to get stuff fixed, which, you know, I don't even know if this thing is going to work. Just so much tight space. This damn hose clamp. Do I gotta take this intake manifold out? Okay, so now I have this bypass valve hose out, and it was actually pinched a lot more than I initially thought. And you're talking about, well, it was pinched in this area right here, and it was about like this. So you can just see that it's not flowing air through this. So it looked like about that. We're gonna put this little 45-degree fitting right here, so it comes out of the inlet like this, and then hopefully that will give us enough room to clear that drive-by wire unit. Okay, so far so good. I did get that brass fitting into the turbo inlet. So far it's looking good. It's gonna be a little tight We're talking about, I don't know, about a 1/4 inch between that pipe and the drive-by wire. I don't know if I should, no, I don't think a 90-degree fitting is going to work. But you know what, it's going to require a little bit of persuasion. But I'm pretty sure that once I install it, the hose is no longer going to be kinked. I am hungry. I need to go get some Popeyes. Okay, it looks like everything is going to clear, and the 90-degree elbow is there. And it's going to be kinked just a little bit, but I don't think it's going to be a big deal. So definitely not as much as it was before. And yeah, now the bypass valve can finally breathe. So there it is, everything's back together. No more kinks in the hose of the bypass valve. And you know, hopefully I don't have any more issues. If you're just tuning in, you haven't seen any of my videos, that gold wrap, trust me, I am not a fan of it. Hate the way it looks. Also, one thing I did off camera was cut this out. Right there, just let a little bit more airflow into the intercooler. To be honest with you, I'm not ready to commit to a full bumper cut just yet. I don't know, we might do that in the future. I'm just not ready for that right now. All right, so right now we're on way back from Portland helping out Josh with his Evo. If you want to see more Evo content, please check out his channel. But I just pulled out the camera. I just wanted to say the car is running absolutely great right now for some reason. But earlier, when it was super duper hot, it was like 115 or 110 degrees down in Portland. The car was just running like poop, but that is to be expected. But for some reason, when I was sitting there at idle, the oil temperature, and Josh was in the car, oil temperature is like 250 degrees just sitting there idling, which is super weird. But yeah, just weird. Kind of got me scared a little bit, not gonna lie. But right now the car runs absolutely great. Okay, so for all you detailing guys out there, I got a new package from Adams. I know this product right here, I already know what it is. It's kind of gimmicky per se, but I still wanted to try it out. Probably won't be trying this out on camera only because I'm not going to be installing it on my car. I'll be probably doing it on the wife's car. What we got here is the Adams graphene ceramic coating kit. Some polishing towels, the applicator pad, the ceramic spray coating. Now, the reason why I won't be trying it on my car is because my car is already coated with Crystal Serum Light and Exo. Let's see, oh, we got more stuff. More applicator pads. Got the ceramic boost in there too, surface prep, and the actual coating itself. I thought it came with a little flashlight thing. That's weird. So yeah, nothing really too exciting. Okay guys, so if you follow me on social media, I posted a story on how you can get this kit for $97, which is also known in the tool industry as a Milwaukee hack. So Home Depot was having a deal where you pick this up for $179. They also have a 2 amp hour kit for $99, but I think this one has the better tools and the better batteries overall. So $179 for this. You get a free tool such as the rotary tool, which is like a Dremel, this ratchet, which is pretty cool. I like the fuel version better, just to be honest with you, the extended one. You can also get the radio, which is okay. It doesn't sound all that great in my honest opinion. It's loud, but it doesn't sound great. Or you can also get the tire inflator. So here's the cool thing. Home Depot will allow you to return one of these tools. They'll give you $85 back out of that $179 for one of these tools that you return. And then you end up getting this for $79. Or $97. Yeah, awesome deal. I think one of these batteries alone is like $80 or $90. And not only that, you get 2 batteries, a charger, and a bag. Awesome freaking deal, by the way. Also, I know I haven't posted a lot of videos, but I've been in the background and work has been freaking crazy. I'm also trying to redo my garage door lights. And yeah, so we're gonna put all these lights around, which is pretty cool. They have these lights on Amazon, which is linkable. Let me just show you. You just link them together. It makes it one seamless LED, which is pretty cool. Because you know, it's gonna get dark. Winter is coming. I used to work with someone named Winter. She didn't like it when I said winter is coming. I don't know why. But yeah, gonna be able to film in the garage. And yeah, hopefully these lights work out. Not a bad deal for $100 on Amazon Prime. Wow, that is quiet.
go. Yeah. You gonna throw your trash away or what, dude?